Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tools YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you what is inside audio toolbox in MATLAB SIMULINK. So at first, here is our library browser. Click on here and then click on this library icon here. And you can see this one is our audio toolbox underneath of aerospace block set. So click on audio toolbox and here are different segments we have, like first one is deep learning, then dynamic range control, then effects, then feature, filters, measurements, sinks, source, and user defined functions. So first we will start with deep learning. So in deep learning there are several blocks like CREPE post process, CREPE pre-process, deep pitch estimator, etc. So what is CREPE? So CREPE is used for pitch estimation, fundamental frequency detection from audio signals. So the applications of CREPE is musical note detection, voice analysis, and auto-tuning systems. Then we have CREPE post process. So CREPE post process, it helps us to refine the pitch output, smooths and filter the estimated frequency, gives cleaner and more stable results. Then we have CREPE pre-process. So it helps us, it prepares audio before pitch detection, remove noises and normalizes signal, ensure accurate pitch estimation. Then we have deep pitch estimator. It uses deep learning to estimate pitch more accurate than traditional methods, and the applications of deep pitch estimator is speech processing, music, information retrieval, and voice recognition systems. Then we have OpenL3. So it extracts audio features using deep learning and converts sound into numerical from AI models. Then we have sound classifier, VGGish embeddings, VGGish process, VGGish preprocess, YAMNet, and YAMNet preprocess. So here is our deep learning block set. Then we have dynamic range control. Here we have compressor, expander, limiter, and noise gate. So our first block is compressor. So what is the use of a compressor? So it reduces dynamic range difference between loud and soft sounds. So the applications of compressor are, it makes audio more consistent in volume, used in speech recording, music production, and broadcasting. For an example, if someone speaks too loudly, the compressor reduces the peak. Then we have expander. So the use of expander is, it increases dynamic range. It is opposite to compressor. So the applications are, makes quiet sounds quieter, helps reduce background noise, used in studio recordings, noise reduction systems. Example, very soft unwanted noise becomes even softer. Then we have limiter. So the use of limiter is, it prevents signal from exceeding a maximum. So what is its use? So it's used in audio mastering, broadcasting systems, speaker protection. For an example, how loud input is, output stays below a fixed limit. Then we have noise gate. So the use of noise gate is, it removes signals below a certain threshold. The application is in background noise when no speech or music is present. It eliminates background noise when no music or speech is present. It is used in live performance, voice recording, and streaming. For an example, mic turns off when you are not speaking. Then we have effects. So in effects there is a block called reverberator. Then we have features. In feature there are several blocks, like in features there are several blocks like audio delta, auditory, spectrogram, then design auditory filter bank, design mel filter bank, then gamma tone filter bank, then mel spectrogram, then MFCC. Then we have filters block. In filters, there are crossover filters, gamma tone filter, graphic EQ, multiband parametric EQ, octave filter, octave filter, octave filter bank, parametric EQ design, selfing EQ design, selfing filter, single band parametric EQ, variable slope filter design, and weighting filter. Then we have measurements. First one is loudness meter, then voice activity detector. Then we have our syncs block. In syncs block, we have audio device writer, spectrum analyzer to multimedia file. So syncs is a block in MATLAB Simulink where we can see the outputs. It can be in graphical form or any certain values. So basically, they are the output blocks. And sources. Sources are the input blocks in MATLAB Simulink. So in source of audio toolbox, there are 6 blocks. First one is audio device reader, audio oscillator, colored noise, from multimedia file, MIDI controls, and web table synthesizer. Then we have user defined functions. So in user defined functions, there is only one block, audio plugin. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.